और मदनी बहार हॉलैंड से निगरान शुरा की आमद हुई तो वहां से मदनी बहार का सिलसिला हुआ। दावत इस्लामी के मदनी माहौल की बरकतों से एक गैर मुस्लिम ने इस्लाम कबूल किया। ए दावत-ए-इस्लामी तेरी धूम मची हो।
I came to this masjid here in Almere, and I found that there were weekly gatherings of Ijtima, and these gatherings, they inspired me and spread to me the message. So I went to the gatherings of Dawat-e-Islami in the masjid here, and I found that this is very inspiring to me. They spread the message of peace and love. I also am very grateful that I got the chance to meet Rukn Ashura Abdul Habib Atari and Nigan Ashura Haji Imran Atari. I made the intention to become a better person and a good Muslim, and to be helpful for the society, and to fulfill my duties to Allah as well. So fulfill my duties to Allah and to the people in the society. So that's what Dawat-e-Islami inspired me to do, and the whole of the Sunni Islam inspired me to do. So not only the Nigan Shura, but other ulama as well. So I came here to the masjid, and here was a large gathering of Ijtima, of Nigan Shura, and he had a beautiful speech here about telling the truth and keeping away from lies.